Hey family, happy Tuesdays. Today we're going to answer the subscriber question that I've been dodging for a while, and it's about viruses. I'm not going to get into specifics of which virus, but you're going to understand which virus I'm speaking about. But I just want to make sure that you know that we see you, we hear you, we understand. It's a very endearing virus that people put stigmas on, which they shouldn't put a stigma on. But anyway, just want to talk to you guys and talking with people, sharing things with people, sharing ideas. What I want to say, look, if you like my videos, if you like what you're hearing, if you like the information, hit the like button, subscribe. I just want to make sure that you get this information. But go ahead, hit the like button, share what I'm saying, because I hope you get it. I hope you are listening. Look, when you're dealing with viruses, we got to look at the inner person. Everybody's different. Everybody healing and curing and situations is so different. Whew. It's so different that you have to be 100% responsible for what you're doing, for when you're getting the information, your mental state, how you feel, what you're doing, what you're actually doing to your body. And you just got to be real with yourself and see if you're willing to accept and go with the process. Stick with the process. And I mean really stick with the process, because it's not an easy road. It's not an easy road giving up the sugar. It's not. Oh my goodness. It is not easy giving up the sugar. It isn't. But it's the power. The key is the power of your mind. It's the power of what you give power to, that food that you eat. That food that tastes so good. And you know, look, I know. You don't think I be wanting some red velvet cake? Do I go eat it? No. I don't go eat the red velvet cake, because the flour, the little ingredients, the ingredients actually hurt me. So I don't want the pain. So that's what I'm telling you guys. You guys got to get the information. If it says do a fast, do a fast. If it says do not eat grains, nuts, sugary, candy, look, if it say, like you say, it's not a cheat day, it's a treat day. You know who I got that from. It's your treat day. Don't go eating something that you know that's going to make you have to do the process all over again. Meaning, if you know it says don't eat bread and you go eat some white bread, you know, it doesn't make sense. Just make sure that the sensible things. Stick to what's on that list. Just stick to what's on that list. And if you got to have the meat, just have just a little bit. Just half your hand. Like I be telling people, half your hand. All I hear is, you know, certain medications make the virus dormant. If you guys can actually research and what dormant is, put it down below in the comments. Tell me what you understand with that word dormant. I don't want nothing dormant in my body. I want something to say that it helps expel or get those free radicals out, get those dead cells, get that virus out. That's what I want. I want something that's help release, push it, and expel it out. That's what I want. Look, if you understand, okay, so let's pretty much say what it is. Why you think you can't, why you think, you know, pretty much depending on other people to give our food. All this food is changing. We don't know what it is. All these hidden ingredients, all these different things, and just so much. We can't always trust what's in these packages, especially when it's processed and it can sit on the shelf for 20 years. Anything that can sit on the shelf for that long, you shouldn't be eating it. And sometimes those expiration dates is not real. I'm going to leave it there. Just let's get back. Let's get back to the basics. That's all us herbalists, natural healers are asking. Let's get back to the basics. That is all that I'm trying to convey with these viruses. Look, so certain viruses, they like to hide. They like to hide like deep in this area. Okay, so if it's in this area, it's good to, treat your mouth a little different. That's all I can say. You want to treat your mouth a little different. The smaller your back, where that fluid is. So that's the main reason why it's good to put the oil of oregano on that spot and rub it in well. It's a lot of things. It's a lot of different things people use. But you got to get back down to the basics. You got to, like I said, you got to bring your body down to the baby state. Just think, when a baby's born, it only can drink milk. So we want you to take the herbal supplements, and we're not even saying you can't eat. You're going to go back to the baby state and eat the fruits and vegetables that's on that list. Look, if you go with the list, and some people, look, you allergic to grains, you're allergic to nuts, and you don't even know it because it's hidden. It's hidden. Look, and if you're vitamin D deficient, we can go there. Vitamin D deficient, if you're deficient in anything, that hinders your body. And look, body already, let's use the word, your body, your organs already know the cure. Your organs know what heals it. It does. But if we're taking in poison, how can we let the body do what it's supposed to do? How can we let the body do what it's supposed to do? And that's what I want to talk to you about, viruses. Look, you already know my other regiment. You know my regiment. You know my regiment. You got to get the sleep. You got to get the rest, because that's when the true healing detox happens. You got to drink half your body weight. Force yourself, trick yourself. You got to get the water. Just being honest, you got to get the water. You have to take the required supplements. You have to. And you can't deviate. You can't go take a whole lot of sugar, because that's just going to make things worse. It's going to make things worse. It's going to make the dormant stay dormant. It's going to trigger what it's going to trigger. And stress, look. You know what stress does. I know you're like, Viola, you're being hard. No, I want you to really get it. I want you to really get it. That's when I do consultations. I go over the required time, because I want you to get it. I want you to know that we care and we want things to work. We want everything to be successful. We want to correct the issues. And when it says do a blood cleanse, do the blood cleanse. Do the blood cleanse. Do the candida cleanse. That candida and the parasite cleanse is like the first thing you need to do. The first thing you need to do. That's why we say do it one time a year, because if you could do it once, that's a step. That's a step. That's your body reversing and correcting some little issues. But if you do eat meat, you do need it 4 times a year. You do. Your gut pretty much controls everything. Because if your gut's out of whack, your brain and your gut's really not talking. They're like bumping heads. These autoimmune diseases, all you're doing is fighting. It's already fighting your body. And then with your body trying to correct that issue, that's a long process. That is a long process. And we want you just to get it. We just want you to get it. And that's what I want to say about viruses. I'm going to do more things that you can do. But I just want you to get that and really get that. Because look, the stuff works. It works. I just need you to get it. I need you to really get it. I want you to understand. I know pain. Look, I know pain, but pain is temporary. I keep telling you, pain is temporary. So of course, I need you to listen. Listen to Dr. Eric Thomas.
Listen to me. Pain is temporary. It may last for a minute, or an hour, or a day, or even a year. But eventually, it will subside. And something else will take its place. If I quit, however, it will last forever.
Because on the other side is the true healing. Because it's healing time. Look, it's healing time. I know everybody's still wondering with this election. Look, don't let that stress you. Don't let that stress you. Stay focused. Pandemic still hasn't gone. That's a whole other animal. So if you saying your body got issues already, what other issues we're going to have after that? So I'm going to leave it there. Look, you guys, happy Tuesday. You got the comments. I'm here. Put them down below. Put them down below. Put them down below. Because everything is pretty much up to you. It's up to you. It's really up to you. Just want to leave it there. Happy Tuesday, guys. I care. So, bye.